Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your deleted message on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple. You want to open up your WhatsApp and go on the U option at the bottom right. From over here, you want to click on chats. Now over here, this is what the criteria is. So let's say that somebody sends you a message on WhatsApp and that message has been backed up. Let's say I got sent message like 2 or 3 days ago and I had this setting on. I click on chat backup and I had this setting on. So my auto backup is on monthly. So what you want to do is change it on daily. So when this happens, your WhatsApp is going to be backed up daily. So what we want in this criteria is that the message needs to be backed up. Let's say a person named Kevin sent me a message and that message was automatically backed up on my WhatsApp. But let's say it wasn't automatically backed up. I could also just click on backup now and manually back it up as well. But make sure the message is backed up. Now if the message is backed up, and let's say the user has deleted the message, which means a friend which sent you the message deleted it, but we have that backup on our WhatsApp because we had backed it up. Now what we need to do is basically just delete our WhatsApp and re-download it again. Once we re-download our WhatsApp, the WhatsApp is going to ask you to log in into your account, and when you log in into your account, WhatsApp is going to back up every single thing that is stored on your iCloud, because if you're using iPhone and you're backing things up, it's going to be automatically backed up on your iCloud. So when you install your WhatsApp and try to recover your backup, the message which your friend deleted, you're still going to be able to see it because you had backed it up. And once you recover your backed up message, the old message is going to appear on your WhatsApp. That is the only way you guys can see your deleted message on WhatsApp if you have backed it. If you haven't backed it up, then there is no other way. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.